Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your kitchen life awesome. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the KitchenAid 7-Cup Food Processor, model KFP0718CU. If you're dreaming of chopping, slicing, and pureeing like a pro without the hassle, this compact machine might be your perfect match. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's jump in. Let's break down the features that make the KitchenAid 7-Cup Food Processor stand out. This fully automatic processor is designed for everyday use with a 7-cup capacity, perfect for small to medium batches. It has a powerful 250-watt motor that handles tough ingredients like nuts, veggies, and cheese with ease. The reversible slicing shredding disc creates even slices and shreds, and the multi-purpose blade chops, purees, and mixes everything from salsa to dough. You get 3 speed settings, high, low, and pulse for precise control. The twist-free one-click assembly makes setup quick, and the illuminated LED controls are easy to read. The sealed, leak-resistant work bowl keeps messes contained, and all parts, the bowl, lid, and accessories, are dishwasher-safe for simple cleanup. It comes with a chopping blade, reversible disc, spatula, and in-bowl storage for accessories, plus a cord wrap for neat storage. The contour silver finish is sleek and durable, fitting any kitchen. The 2023 model includes easy press paddles for better handling. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this machine is a fantastic value at around $100, offering pro-level performance without breaking the bank. The 7-cup size is ideal for singles or small families, and the powerful motor tackles carrots, onions, and cheese smoothly. The reversible disc produces uniform slices and shreds, and the pulse function gives you control for finer results. Customers love the easy assembly. One reviewer said it's a breeze to set up compared to bulkier models. The dishwasher-safe parts save time, and the compact design stores easily. It's quiet during operation, and the LED lights make it user-friendly even in low light. The 1-year warranty adds peace of mind, and it's versatile for recipes like pesto, hummus, or pie dough. On the con side, the 7-cup capacity might feel small for large batches, so it's not ideal for big families or party prep. Some users note it struggles with very hard ingredients like ice without pulsing carefully. The plastic bowl, while durable, can scratch over time with heavy use. The feed tube is narrow, so bigger veggies need pre-cutting. A few reviews mentioned the lid latch feels loose at first, but it secures well. Cleaning the blade requires careful handling to avoid cuts, though the spatula helps. It's not as powerful as larger models for continuous heavy-duty tasks. So, should you buy the KitchenAid 7-cup food processor? Absolutely. If you want a reliable, compact machine for everyday chopping and pureeing that fits small kitchens, it's perfect for beginners or casual cooks who need versatility without complexity. The even results, easy cleanup, and value make it a great choice. Whether you're making quick salads or sauces, this processor delivers. Before I wrap up, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kitchen gear you want to see next. Keep cooking great meals, and I'll see you in the next video.